Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. This is my first video in my channel in YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And please support to my channel. Let's start the video. Today I am going to make highlighter with the help of eyeshadows and compact. First of all, we should need eyeshadow. This one is shade brown, and this is my old eyeshadow palette which one has broken, so I am using that only. So first of all, you have to take out the eyeshadows into the bowl. Taking eyeshadow completely, add the compact powder or any talcum powder. This is shimmery eyeshadow. I am using compact powder here, which one is almost going to, so that's why I am using that only. You can see that. And take out the compact talcum powder into it. Because this is my first video, so that's why I'm so confused. Compact powder, you have to mix it well. You have to mix it completely. Then I am adding this highlighter into it. After adding that, then add ammonia solution. This is available in any chemist shop and with an affordable price too. This prices you can see that only 45 rupees. And I'm adding it quarter spoon of ammonia solution. Then mix it well. It smells bad and I don't like that smell, so that's why I'm using lavender essential oil here. I'm adding drops of essential oil. I'm going to add 1 drop, but it's around 2 drops, and it's okay. And this is totally optional. Then mix. You can see how nice it's look. How it's look. It's giving the glowing. In hand it's not showing good, but it's not looking that. When you apply to your cheeks and T-zone, you get the best result into it. Please try it in your home and comment me how it's come. Now I am transferring it into my palette. can see that. After that, I'm spraying with makeup fixer here. You can spray the rose water also, but I'm using makeup fixer and set it well with tissue. Now you can see how it's looking. It's looking like we buy from the market only. We made it in home. Now you can see the result also. See how it's glowing, it's shining. In your home and share with me. After that, even I'm trying many type of highlighters here. You can see this one also. Then my sister also wants to make, so that's why I gave her to make. She's making first time in her life. You can see this one. This is how it's looking. It's shining now. It's looking like a highlighter only. See, this one my sister had made, and she made good, not bad. Now it's transferring into my compact palette. See how it's looking. She's applying on her hand. You can see the result. Wow, beautiful. Now finally we made 4 highlighters here. One is my sister and rest of 3 made by myself. I showed the result of it. You can see that how it's looks. This is my small sister. I applied to her hand. I am using this highlighter. Now this bowl of that are made by me only. It's not looking properly on the hand. If you make it in your home and after applying to your cheeks, in these 4 highlighter, I like this one. This one is my favorite. These 4 highlighter are also very good. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and please support me. Thank you. Bye bye. I love fish.